Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. Yes, my people, Dancehall skilla here again. Manners and respect to each and every one. Alright, so a lady who some people on social media call Apostle and or Pastor Prudence contacted me, Dancehall skilla, and explained about a situation between her and a female. Let me present an audio that had been sent to me, Dancehall skilla, and I'm going to present a video that have been posted on social media that can give you some form of understanding about the situation. Alright, here's the audio. Listen.
Hi, Dancehall skilla. Apostle here. Yes, the lady contacted me and she said, Prophetess, Apostle. I said, yes, good evening. And she said, I have some offering for your ministry. I watch you on TikTok all the time. With the fact that I do not have a building ready, she asked me, where is my church? I told her that the church is somewhere in Clarendon, but the building is not ready. There's a kind of tug and war over the building. And I will have word by the second week in April. She said she's in a rush to give me an offering. I said, okay, thank you, because you will be the first person to ever offer an offering in cash or anything like that to this ministry, to my ministry that I am now doing online because I haven't got a building. And yes, the prophet have to pay for Wi-Fi and all these things. So she said, yes, she know, that's why she planned to give me something. She told me about her situation. She gave me a prayer request, can't talk it out. She told me that she have a 12-year-old daughter and I should continue to pray for her. I prayed and she said things feel a little better, but I should still continue to pray. We know on one prayer we prayed, so we pray again. I'm making it short. Then in the following week, which was last week Tuesday, so
okay.
if tomorrow Tuesday is the 2nd, it's somewhere down on the 20-something of March 2024. That voice message that I sent you is her saying she got some offering, she soon sent it. The night she called my phone and told me that a senior citizen husband had passed and she's giving away much. I'm not sure about this part. She's giving away the house and she's giving away some money and whatever. She's not coming back. She's leaving on Tuesday, which will be tomorrow, the 2nd of April 2024. The lady will be leaving. Oh. Every time she calls, she says she's in the tax office. Every time I say, let me speak to the lady. See, I send you a text message there with me texting her, can I please speak to this kind lady? She said the lady's in the tax office. The lady's right next to her. She soon let me talk to her. This woman is the one who has the offering to give to me. She collected the money. She texted me and voice noted me that she get the money. She will send it tomorrow. And she's the one. I have her name. I have her 2 numbers, her number and her daughter number. She blocked me off both of them after she sent me the message that I'm right next beside her. I soon make a talk to her. In the morning, the one that I sent you with her saying she's in the church. She said she's at church. I know that was a lie. As all the lady was at church and then all of a sudden the lady's in the tax office and the lady soon speak to me and when I look back, both numbers are blocked. And no matter how I ring her with other number that day, she never pick it up. This is stealing. This is robbing from God's servant, Yahweh's servant. She need to fix this. It is so wrong. I thank you, Skilla, because this is the picture that she sent me with the vehicle. It's so I got it from her. Right? And if this lady is going away tomorrow morning, I want this out that somebody will, if I even when she reach back, she will see it. And I told her, go ahead and read Acts chapter 5. She called back and she called my phone in the evening. She rang me and I pick up. And she said, where you going so far? I'm pitney and look about me and my child looking about you soon get the vehicle. Me tell her, so me then hear the lady, me I gonna make you talk to her. Stop from going some man. Me never did go on away, but me did start pray for the fire. Start juke her and juke her conscience. Make she stop doing what she's doing because it must be a devil telling her to do this. And when I tried calling her back, because she do it like I cut the phone cut off. When I tried calling her back, I'm blocked again. So that's my plight. I believe this is wrong.
So that's the audio, my people. Now take a look at this video and then I'm going to give you my understanding about the situation. Because there's more to the situation, but Look at the video first. Observe.
You know, lady, I know your name. Yahweh knows your name. Only Yahweh can tell me what are you thinking and what were you thinking. You sent a picture of the vehicle to me. I have both your numbers. You have a 12-year-old daughter, right? I know your name. I don't understand why you went out of your way to do this. Are you serious? Who do you know play with women who are true women and men of Yahweh and get away with it? Haven't you read Acts chapter 5 from verse 1 to 11, lady? Lady, if I were you, I would make a change. Where Sapphira, Ananias and Sapphira sell the piece of land and go tell the man of God lie. You were only in the tax office stamping off the...
Alright, so I want to take notice that the word vehicle had been mentioned in that video and also the audio that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Through WhatsApp, I was sent a picture that shows a motor vehicle. And I was also sent audios that are said to be from the female in question. But out of respect and also request, I will not mention any name and I'm going to leave out certain things. See?
Me give her the number. She soon call her back. She says she's at church. So when she finish, she call her back and talk.
I noticed that a certain scripture of the Bible had been mentioned in the video. So I look it up because me is the kind of person when it comes down to the Bible, it's always good to learn something. You see me I say, yeah, and you know, me read certain parts from this whole thing. You see me I say, yeah, one part I where it is said that but a certain man named Ananias with Sapphira, his wife, sold a possession. And verse 2 of the same chapter 5 Acts said, and kept part of the price, his wife also being privy to it, and brought a certain part and laid it at the apostles' feet. You understand? There's more to it, viewers and subscribers, but just I make you know, that part had been mentioned. However, so my overall understanding that I got from a video that have been posted on social media and messages that have been sent to me, Dancehall Skilla, by Apostle and our Pastor Prudence, which also includes texts and audios, is that she pointed out to me that she said that a female claimed or said that she received some things from at least one or maybe more than one persons that can be considered as offering to give to the apostle and or the pastor. However, the apostle and or the pastor did not receive anything that the female claimed that she received. Listen to this audio that had been sent to me also.
Okay, thanks. And say somebody else give me something to give you, but hopefully tomorrow I'm going on the road. I want to send it. A good friend of mine give me something to give it to, but she give me today. So when I go on the road tomorrow, I send it off for you again. Thank you. Just keep me in your prayers.
See? I wonder how this whole thing will turn out the people, Yeah, I wonder how it's going to turn out. But anyways, you can let me know what you think about it. Let me say that again. You can let me know what you think about a situation like that, viewers and subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video, and click all. So I got information about a situation where it is said that a female died and at least 6 persons had been injured when a motor vehicle that was traveling along the Fern Gully Main Road in St. Anne, Jamaica crashed on Sunday. According to information put out there, it is believed that the driver of the motor vehicle lost control of the motor vehicle that was occupied by a certain number of persons, who also includes adults and children, crashed along the Fern Gully Main Road in St. Anne, Jamaica. Now, my people, I saw a video about the situation on Sunday that really and truly seems very harsh and horrible in my point of view. Some of what I saw in the video I don't want to say because it's really that bad. You see what I'm saying to you? However, I saw at least one other video that shows the damaged motor vehicle. And I think that that video can give some form of understanding as to how bad the incident was. So it is said that police were called to the scene of the incident and injured persons was taken to hospital to get medical attention, and that at some point one person who is said to be a female succumbed to injuries that the person received during subscribers. So it is said that the police is urging motorists to obey the speed limit and follow the road code or follow the rules of the road. My people, that's a sad situation. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla.